Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can perform a delete operation using HTTP client. Okay, so we'll be using this HTTP request and we'll try to perform a delete operation here. Okay, so before getting into this, let me show you the links which we are going to perform a delete operation on. Okay, so if you see here, which is a fake JSON server which I have installed, even you can also install. You just need to go to the Google and type a fake JSON server and you will get some let me show you that as well. Fake JSON server GitHub. Okay, if you type this you can get that fake JSON link, and this is the one I have used. I am going to put it in a description as well so that it will be helpful for you guys to implement. If you have a delete request, it's well and good. If you don't have it, okay, not this one, there's a one more is there. One second, which, yeah, I think I might have used this one. Okay, so if you have delete request with you, it's well and good. If you don't have it, try to install this fake JSON server and run it here. You can, as I'm running it, then you can perform this delete operation. Why I am saying this is you don't get much examples in online using the for delete as well as put. Okay, so put and delete examples you don't find it, so you can install fake JSON server here. Okay, fake JSON server from the online. I put that in a description as well. Okay, so let me show you the link. Here I have the data, right? If I use something called a path variable to filter the data to, I'll get only data related to the 2. If I give 3, I'll get only data related to 3. If I remove this, I'll get data for everything. What I am going to do in this example is I am going to show you how to remove one particular data, that is ID for ID2 data. Okay, so here what I will be doing is I will be pulling this HTTP request here. If you don't have this HTTP request, what I am gonna, if sometimes it is you need to install this one, right? So if you don't have it, go to the package manager and type click on all packages, type web. If you type web, this one, HTTP web activities JSON REST SOAP, this is the one you need to install. As I have already installed, it is showing me uninstall. Okay, so once I have it, just try to pull this HTTP request, and in a one second, okay, in a preview URL, what I can do is I can give something like this. Endpoint, yeah, endpoint. I have given this. Now I am going to use delete operation. So I have given delete and I don't need any parameters. If I click on the preview, this data related to the 2 will be gone. Okay, because it will operate, it will show that operation. So I am not going to click on the preview here. I am going to click on OK directly. Okay, and if I show you the status code here, yeah, this let me use it as status, and in the response use something called response. These are the two objects I might have already created. As you can see, status is of type integer 32 and response is of type string. Okay, then what I can do is, let me use something called message box just for the tutorial purpose. So what I will be doing is, let me get the status place response. Okay, I should be getting the response as proper. Okay, and the issue might be here, since it's an integer type, I need to convert it to a string. Okay, so let me execute this one. So if I execute it, as you can see, I started executing. Now it applied. As you can see, status code is 200, that means operation successfully done. Okay, and response is null, that means there is no data returned. If how do I validate this one now? Okay, If I execute this particular request, I should not get any data. Now you can see there is no data is there, and if I click on this post, now you can see that particular thing is also removed. Let me try to show it again with some other data here. Since I have lots of data, 2 I have, right? So let me try to remove the 4 as well. So I have updated the link. Now I am running it. Now I started running. Now you can see we got the response as 200 and data is removed. Okay, now let me show you the output. There is no data for 4. If I show you that there is no data, since there is no data, what if I execute it again? That means the resource is not there. What will happen if I execute again? Okay, now you can see I started executing. What happens is 404, that means page not found exception. Let's type in Google. Status code is 404. Status code 404 means I think the endpoint might not be there, something that is not found. That's the one thing. Okay, so you can only perform this operation only once because the resource is already deleted on the server. So you don't find, if you try executing it again with the same data, that won't get executed because the resource is already get deleted. Okay, so I hope it's informative for you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.